So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run YouTube ads. Again, it's going to be a very simple, straightforward video and everything's easy. I'm going to break down each and everything so anyone can run it. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing, which includes Google, with help of Google ads, Microsoft ads, Facebook. It can be anything, right? So that's what I create. And again, for me, it's always straightforward way. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video, right? So now again, you need to sign up for Google ads. It's very easy. Just type Google ads. Okay, click on the first one. Then once you sign up, again, this is the option. This is the dashboard of Google ads. Once you're in your Google ads, okay, so all you have to do is on your left hand side, click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, click over here, create a campaign. It's going to be a new campaign. And don't worry guys, in the beginning it looks complicated, but it's easy. Just follow the steps what I'm doing, and I'm going to explain you each and everything. So now these are a lot of objectives, but I would prefer clicking create a campaign without goal guidance. The reason for that is you'll have much more flexibility of making changes. And again, Google is smart. They want to make more money from you. So they try to tell you more guidance, like do this, do that, and they try to take more money from you in terms of ad spend. So I would always try to do manually. Okay, create a campaign without goal guidance. Again, these are different kinds of campaign type, but we are going to do video. If you want to learn about search, I've already created a video. Okay, so just the link would be down below or in the playlist, but again, this time it's going to be video. Click over here. Again, these are different kind of video, but I would prefer custom video campaigns. Okay, again, more flexibility. Now click on continue. Again, you can put the campaign name as well. The campaign total budget, I would say daily would be what anything, and depending on your budget, right? So for me, for example, I'll put $5. Again, I would not select this one because again, partners on display networks, I wouldn't do that. We want to only show on YouTube and YouTube search results. They have different websites as well other than YouTube. If you want to show over there, you can do that, but for me, I feel it takes a lot of money from you. Again, you can choose your countries over here. For now, I'm going to leave it in UAE. This is where I live. Again, even languages, again, I can choose Arabic, English. I would choose English. Inventory type, I want to show my ads to everyone, so it's going to be expanded. You can read over here. Related videos, exclude. Again, I would exclude embedded YouTube videos and live streaming videos. Again, if someone's watching live streaming videos, they don't want to see an ad as well because they just want to focus on the person who is live. And even embedded YouTube videos, imagine you have someone has embedded a YouTube video on their website. Again, I would also exclude that, right? Again, you can add, let's say for example, you're advertising for one kind of video, you can add other related videos as well. It will show here. Okay, so you can do that. Again, create your ad group name. Once you are done that, again, choose your gender. Again, if you're running your own business, who's your target customer? Not everybody can be your customer, right? So for me, it's going to be male and female. Again, that's it. So this is going to be me. Again, your audience segments, you can browse who they are, you can select, or you can go and choose affinity. So again, what are their habits and everything. So for me, what I would do is choose the demographics and choose your audience segments. Okay, either choose audience segment, either choose keywords, either choose topics. Okay, don't try to just make your audience very narrow. Just keep it in the middle. Once you see that these audiences are making conversions, then you can focus on that. So I would just select, let's say whatever it is, I would select my audience type. Let's say they're interested in banking. Okay, or you can just paste all the keywords related to your video, but again, I think so don't use this. Just use your audience segment. Again, you can choose topics as well. Okay, what are they interested in? Okay, and then Placements. Do you want to show your placements everywhere or specific YouTube videos or specific YouTube channels? Okay, so you can put your competitor channels as well. So for me, if I type clickbank, right, anything related to clickbank. So again, these are people who promote products about clickbank affiliate marketing, so I can target them as well. Go back again, or specific YouTube videos where you feel that those YouTube videos are getting the most views, so you can do that. Okay, other things as well. Now again, you can add your videos as well over here. So for me, it's going to be, let's say for example, I want to add this video, right? Paste it over here. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah. Now again, now if I click in feed, it's going to show in the feed, right? So if I just go on YouTube right now, click on home. Okay, yeah, this in feed. Okay, when you search something, let's say affiliate, okay, this is the ad. Okay, and then once, what is in skippable in stream ad, again you can read over here. Once you're watching a video, the video comes in between. Okay, so those are skippable in stream ad. So again, if you want a better understanding, click on the question mark. Again, you can see skippable in-stream ads. They come in the video, and then non-skippable in-stream ads, which you cannot skip. Okay, but they are much more expensive. And in-feed video ads are when you're watching a video. Let's say, for example, I'm watching this guy. Again, I can see on the right, there's some ads as well, I think. So let me scroll down. So let's say, for example, this one. It's going to be a video. Let me open this one. So you can see the ad over here, right? So something like this, it will come over here. And then you can just select a cost per view bid. I would say 0.20, sorry, 0.20. Okay, and then you can choose one more thing I forgot as well, right? Try to click on additional settings. Then again, device, choose your device as well. Mobiles are a bit cheap, computer is a bit more expensive, but you need to decide as well. And on the right, you can see how much it would be my cost per view, and then you can just go and create the campaign. Okay, just click over here. Again, you can put your website URL. Okay, and then display URL is going to be the same. If you want to put call to action, you can put watch now. Okay, or click here, whatever it is, right? And then you can create a campaign. So yeah, I just have to add some headlines as well over here. So again, make money, learn now. Okay, something like this. Now, okay, and then you can add a description as well. You can check out the videos, what are they adding as well. So I can say step by 2022. Okay, and then you can just create the campaign. And I think so the campaign is created, and then I can just continue to campaign and just review everything, and then you can start running YouTube video ads. Okay, so I think so that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments, and if you have any more questions as well, just message me on Instagram. And also I have a free course for affiliate marketing where you can start making money online, like more than $100 a day. So go and check it out. And if you really like the video and if you found this really helpful, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.